Hello everyone, welcome to Ivan Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you the ways you can use to retrieve your files which were deleted. The first one is pretty simple and obvious. Majority of you are quite familiar with. Like, I've opened my folder. Now let me delete these two files here. Come and I delete it. Well, all of you or majority are aware that you come to recycle bin and then you'll find the files here that we deleted. Then you restore, and then you'll find it back here. So the files are here and they have been restored back. And you can check the recycle bin is empty. As I said, a lot of you are familiar with this. But then the second method which I'm going to show you is maybe an incident whereby it's not even there in recycle bin, or you could have emptied the recycle bin from here and then there's nothing, but then later you realize you want that document. You realize that it was still important to you. So let me turn on my Wi-Fi and we go. So you open any browser of yours, could be Explorer or Google Chrome, whatever, and then you type in Recuva and then you enter. The first option here, you can see download Recuva, recover deleted files free, and then you download it. So you can download the free version and then you can get Recuva Pro, but then for now let's download the free version. Okay. Come to free download here. Click on download. So it's downloading, you can see. It's around 5 point something MBs or 7 MBs, not very many. So it has finished to download. You can open file. And then you can install. So it's here, it's on our desktop. So it's saying that Recuva setup completed. Recuva v1.53 has been successfully installed on your computer. So let's close. Then let's search for it. Oh, it's right here. Go to next. So they're asking us what sort of files are you trying to recover. You can see all files, pictures, music, documents, video. So you can choose any. For example, let me choose documents. And then they are showing that where were the files. You can, if you are aware of the location, well and good. But then if you're not sure, you can click on I'm not sure. Or if they're in recycle bin or in a specific location or anywhere. So if you're not sure, you can go with I'm not sure. But if you know where the file is, it simplifies the process. You go to next. And then you start. Check this box if previous scans have failed to find your files. Note that this may take over an hour on a large drive. So you can start, or you can check this box if you have tried to scan before using any other software and it had failed. But then you can start and it's beginning to scan for the documents. So you can see it's scanning for the documents and retrieving the files. It's analyzing damage and then analyzing for file contents and so on. So you can see all the documents have been recovered. Those are the documents that have been recovered. So you can select any. So you can see it has recovered the documents. So then if you want to recover any document, just come and tick the box here. And then you come to this word here, recover, and then it will automatically retrieve your document. It's pretty simple to use and you can use it to find all your documents that you have deleted in case it was not in recycle bin. So if the first method didn't work out, you can try this other one here. It's pretty much simple also to use. If you enjoyed the video, remember to hit that subscription button and give this video a thumbs up if at all you enjoyed it. Thanks. See you in the next video.